What is going on today, guys? It's your boy Nick's Gaming back once again today, and we are bringing you another video. We're gonna be showing you how to change your PSN and why you might want to do that. But before we do that, guys, if you are new to the channel, make sure to hit the like on this video if you like the video. Make sure to also subscribe if you're new to the channel and catch more videos like this. And if you want to discuss this, there shouldn't be much more to discuss after the video, but if you want to discuss other PS4 features, PS4 games, or just hop on into some games with me in general, hop on into my Twitch chat at Nick's Official. But without any further ado, guys, let's actually jump on in and show you how to do it. So before we actually show you how to do it, it's important to discuss why you might want to do it. So a lot of people are coming over and they've played PS4 in the past. They might be grabbing a new PS4 after their PC fries, whatever it may be. They're coming over and they have access to their old accounts. That might be one reason. Or if you set it up like myself when I was really young, I didn't like that name anymore and I wanted to change it. So there's lots of reasons why you might want to change your PSN name. But let's actually show you how to do that. So what you would do is you go into your PS4 here, and then you would go ahead and go account information. And then from here, guys, what you would want to do is somewhere in here, profile, online ID, and you're gonna want to click this. This can also all be done through the website as well. You're gonna have to accept everything here. Again, if it's your first time, I do believe that it is still free. It used to be free when I did it, so I do believe that it is still free for your first time. If not, then it costs money. We're gonna show you exactly how much here in a second, but you also get a discount on it if you have PlayStation Plus, like we do. So you're gonna hit continue. You're gonna have to type in your information here. Alright, guys, we're back once again. We've typed in our password. Obviously we didn't want you guys to see it, so that's why we stopped the recording there, but we're back once again here and we've signed in. So after you've signed in, it shows you the price. It's actually only $5. It is only $5 if you have PlayStation Plus, or it is $10 if you don't have PlayStation Plus. But it's completely up to you. You can go ahead and type it in, and then it will check it to see if it's available and whatnot. And when you find it, you just hit accept. But guys, a little disclaimer, very important. PlayStation will also remind you as well, but you may or may not lose data. I've not seen very much data of be lost in. I've changed mine, my friends have changed theirs. We've not seen any problems, but I've heard and I've seen on Reddit it could be people blowing steam out their backside. Who knows? But just be prepared that you may or may not lose some data. We really hope you guys don't, but just keep that in the back of your mind if you're kind of choosing whether or not to do that. But guys, that is it. That is exactly how you do it. Once again, you just go into settings, go into your profile, then go into, go into account management, then go into profile, then go into online ID, sign in, choose your new username, and make sure that it's not available, or that it is available, but it's not taken, and away you go. Again, if you did like this video, remember to smash that thumbs up button. Until next time, guys, take it easy. Peace.